had this cute pink muslin fabric that felt perfect for summer and a little simpler and more wearable for everyday life. So in this video, I'm turning this fabric into a soft and comfortable summer set that I could wear to a coffee on a casual day out with friends, or even just at home. I'll be sharing the whole sewing process from the inspiration to the final look. This is the amount of fabric I used for this set. First, I ironed the areas where I wanted to make the pleats, so the fabric could be smooth and easier to work with without any wrinkles. After ironing, I started making the pleats for the top first. I made pleats on both fabric panels. The pleated section on each panel will become half of the front bodies, while the unpleated section will become half of the back. At first, I tried sewing it by hand, but then I realized that machine sewing worked much better for this project. For the front and back panels at the top, after making the pleats on the front section, there should still be enough width left so the top can fit comfortably once all the panels are connected together. I would recommend keeping each panel at least around 45 cm wide after pleating. Now sew this line together. Now I will sew the edge of the top. Now I'm going to sew the two back panels together to create one complete round for the top. I pinned the top onto my mannequin and attached the straps to see how everything would fit together. Then I sewed the straps to the top. I will sew a tunnel at the top to put the elastic in. Now I'm going to start sewing the dress. First, I'll sew the front and back panels together at the sides to create one complete round shape for the dress. After that, I'll sew the hem. Then work on the waistband. While sewing the waistband, I'll leave a small opening so I can insert the elastic later. Next, I'll sew the pleats below the waistband area where the elastic will be inserted, sewing all around the dress about 50 cm down. Finally, I'll insert the elastic and trim off all the excess threads.